Kain tayo, kain. At mayroon tayong alimango. Isang alimango lang yan mga kaulam, talagang sikip sa lalagyan. Tapos isang alimasag. Tapos nilagyan natin ng talbos ng kalabasa. Dahon ng kalabasa. Tapos tayo ay may inihaw na isda. Oh, sarap. Kain tayo, kain.
You make it live?
No. Kain po. Just, honey, can you bring me one plate, please? Can you bring one plate? One more? Yeah. Init ang inihaw. Sarap ng inihaw na isda.
Assalamualaikum. Oh, very big.
It's very big. It's 1 kilo.
They said that is for husband.
Only?
Yeah. They write H.
H?
Only H husband.
I cannot open it. Oh, in it. It's very hot. Oh, it's too much mataba.
Mataba is not nice.
See? Oh. Sarap. Bismillah. Tapos buksan naman natin yung isa. Oh, ang taba din.
No, I will eat the smallest.
This one? The small one?
Yeah. Ah, you have only 2?
Yeah. Oh.
How much?
This? 10 dirhams. Yeah.
Too much fish or less?
Very less.
Why?
I don't know, honey. I am the owner of the fish market.
You have to search about the economy. Economy department. How to eat this one. Why they not make it ready to eat? I have to open it.
Very nice, honey, the fish.
Let's see. This is named Gabgub.
Huh? Gabgub?
Yeah. Gab, G-A-B-O-B. Gabgub. Gabgub. Gab.
Gab?
G-A-B.
Gub.
Go. Gabgub. G-A-B-O-W-Y.
Hindi matapos na pag-i-spell eh.
That how you will spell Gabgub. Gabgub double B.
Sobrang kapal ng aligay.
Very big fish. Saluyot, this one?
No, that's not saluyot. Natatakot akong kainin. Sobrang laki. Parang mas masarap ang inihaw na isda.
They said that it's big, no taste in Arabic.
It's tasty.
In Arabic rule, if you go fish market, don't go for the big. Big size, no taste.
Tinapon na may ano pa.
All bone, what they will eat this one? Nothing, only one small. This is gabgob is nothing, like only 2 gram of the whole gabgob.
Itinapon na ang mga galamay ng alimasag.
No meat, only small. If it's
You
like
know, this is Inay's favorite.
This is need 10 gabgob for 1 person. For me, even 10 not enough. It's very hard to rotate it. R-O-E-T-W-Y. How you will rotate this fish sleeping inside the lake in the river. Big and have too much the neck.
Natatakot ako. Sobrang laki.
There's no meat, finish already.
Honey, this one is different. This one has a big meat inside. Yeah.
That is lamb, not meat. I'm eating only that white one. What is the name? This is onion, not onion, yeah?
Which one?
This onion?
No, this one is pumpkin leaves.
Oh, pumpkin leaves like this, not so big. Let's start another one.
Yeah.
This is too much. Marami tanek. Big
This one, honey, no?
tanek. Yeah.
This one I will give to Nuri Boy. I'm scared to eat, honey, because
Which one?
it's full of cholesterol.
Which one you are eating?
This orange is all
No,
cholesterol.
it's not good to eat. That is the tummy.
No,
That is tummy side.
it's not.
Only you have to eat the white one. You checked last time first already, huh?
Yeah. Done?
Little bit I will eat.